Well, to start, I'm going to explain a little bit about how I've decided to join DPS. Currently, I'm doing my master's in computer science at TUM, and I'm in my last semester. Actually, to complete my master's, I had to find an internship, and I was searching for one. But I wasn't particularly excited about any of them because before graduating and starting to work full-time, I wasn't sure in which field I wanted to do my internship, whether I should focus on AI or full stack development, or even what type of company I should be applying to. Then I found DPS, which was perfect for me because I would get the opportunity to be a part of a small startup-like team with different roles, be involved in every step of developing a product in short time, including both AI and software, and see if in the future I would like to continue my career doing something like this. That's why I even applied for both AI and software engineering tracks. Then I got accepted as an AI engineer and personally had one of the sweetest interviews with Afi. I immediately felt like this was going to be a great time because, as you all know, Afi is just the nicest and the most wholesome. Thank you for making it possible for me to be a part of DPS. So the first day started with hiking for hours and as all normal internships start. During the hike, people were looking for the professional volleyball player, which I myself wrote on Slack to introduce myself. But it didn't take so long until you guys realized that this wasn't true. I don't know why I wrote that. I'm a licensed player, yeah, but playing on a random league called Betrix class. But I paid the price by getting called professional at whatever I do for the next month. And yeah, in the hut, everybody saw their teams. I got super happy because with Zeynep, who's one of my best friends, we got to be on the same team, and then I met the rest of my teammates who are Etienne, Beren, and Nico. Little did we know that for the rest of the 3 months, we were going to see each other more than any family members or any close friends, except unfortunately Nico. In the first weeks of DPS as an engineer, I honestly felt a little bit lost because I've never been a part of a project that I first need to identify the pain points of the people who we want to help, actually go there and interview them. This was a first for me, and I'm glad that I've had the opportunity to experience all these steps until you come to a solution for a real problem. And this process wasn't so easy. As a team, we had our ups and downs. When we thought that everything was going great, we suddenly had to change our solution multiple times and got really frustrated from time to time. But we managed to stay strong, supported each other, and always move forward. And first of all, I'm super proud of my team because of this. After we knew what we were going to develop, things got just faster. As the engineers in the team, we were really productive. We got used to a serverless system that we hadn't worked with before pretty quickly and just started to build our product. It was especially a great experience for me because, as I told you, I wasn't really sure in which field I should work on later in my life. And here I got the opportunity to explore everything, like the different AI tools that AWS offers, and actually most of the time take part in the back-end and front-end development. So, I am proud of what we have achieved in the end, only in 3 months, and I was super happy that after our final product show, people showed genuine interest in our product. Thank you to the core team who made all this possible for us and guided us through our projects. It also showed me that I like to work in a startup environment, having our own ideas and because of that, being so passionate about working on a project, I realized that I would love to work in a similar environment after DPS, and I would definitely recommend this program to people who are not sure about what to do after their studies, just like me, to get familiar with different roles. And to finish off, I want to talk about all the people that I met during DPS. It really felt like a family. Since I moved, I'm getting red. Since I moved to Munich, I kind of struggled when it came to making friends. But here, this wasn't the case. Instead, this was really the friendliest environment that I've ever been in. I think as a team, all of us, me, Zeynep, Verena, and Etienne, got lucky because we got along pretty well. I will miss our team times, Verena baking for us, Etienne being so kind, and Zeynep making us laugh all the time. When I was coming to work, I actually never felt like I really don't want to do this today. I rather enjoy coming to the office and seeing your faces all the time, talking to you and just hanging out with you. Before, I've never stayed at an office after work just for fun, but I have done that many times in this internship to have a movie night, a game night, or just turn the music on, dance and party. I will also miss it so much to hang out after work, just buying us unlimited tequila shots, us going to a karaoke bar a concerning amount of times, and Steven actually killing it. Danny wanting to aimlessly walk all the time. Pedro falling from a couch 3 times. Then he was trying to sleep in our Airbnb in Vienna. In his defense, it was the worst couch that is ever built. Zeynep getting too excited playing werewolf, and Tanisha fooling us all when she was a werewolf because she has the cutest face ever. Göksu just being extremely relatable. Etienne forgetting his stuff everywhere. Just want to mention that he once got drunk at the Google event, left his backpack there, went home without his keys and phone, just because he also forgot to close his window, he could actually enter his room. And to finish off, Mark being Mark, which is just awesome. Just every one of you and everything that I couldn't fit in this 10-minute talk. Thank you to all of you who made this experience so amazing.